English Vocabulary Unveiled, Exploring Baking Contest. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and fun phrase, baking contest. This phrase is not just about cooking. It's a window into a cultural activity that many English speakers enjoy. Let's dive in and understand what it means, how it's used, and why it's important. A baking contest is an event where individuals or teams bake their own recipes and present them to judges. The judges then taste and evaluate each baked item based on various criteria like taste, presentation, and originality. The winner or winners receive recognition, prizes, or simply the honor of being the best baker. These contests can range from friendly community events to serious, high-stakes competitions. Baking contests are common in many English-speaking countries, especially in community fairs, schools, and local events. Some baking contests are even televised, like the famous show, The Great British Bake Off, in the UK. They are a way to celebrate local culture, culinary skills, and community spirit. Baking contests aren't just about baking. They're about community, creativity, and tradition. They encourage people to share their culinary heritage and innovate new recipes. These contests also foster a sense of community as people come together to appreciate and enjoy food. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in a sentence. I entered a baking contest at the county fair with my grandmother's famous apple pie recipe. Did you watch the latest episode of the Celebrity Baking Contest on TV? The school is organizing a baking contest to raise funds for the new library. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, baking contest, and how it reflects more than just a competition. It's about culture, community, and creativity. Whether you're a baking enthusiast or just love learning new English phrases, remember that language learning is not just about words. It's about the stories and traditions they represent. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.